From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of jarring alarm clocks ruining your morning? Well, wake up to a game changer with the Alarm Clock Battery Alarm Clock Super Silent from IPOSAC. This revolutionary timekeeper is about to become your new best friend, and for good reason. Not only does it boast a noise-canceling feature that ensures the second-hand sweeps in complete silence, but it also sports a sleek metal frame that adds a touch of sophistication to any room. The resin material and three-dimensional carving give it a unique retro texture that's sure to turn heads. This clock is well-reviewed and a popular choice among those who value a silent and stylish alarm clock, and it's easy to see why. The clear dial and metal hands make it easy to tell time at a glance, and the silent movement creates an ultra-quiet space that's perfect for sleeping or working. But it's not just about function. This clock is also a stunning piece of home decor that can add a warm and stylish touch to any bedside table, bookcase, or mantel. Imagine waking up to a peaceful morning with no jarring beeps or buzzing to disturb you. The Alarm Clock Battery Alarm Clock Super Silent makes that a reality, and it's perfect for anyone who values a good night's sleep. Whether you're a light sleeper or just someone who appreciates a little extra quiet in the morning, this clock is a must-have. And because it's so versatile, you can use it in any room of the house, from the bedroom to the living room. So why settle for a boring, noisy alarm clock when you can have a stylish and silent one? The Alarm Clock Battery Alarm Clock Super Silent from IPOSAC is the perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their morning routine. With its unique combination of style, silence, and functionality, it's sure to become your new favorite way to wake up. Give it a try and start your day off right. You won't regret, as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.